So in this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and set up your emotes for your YouTube stream chat. So the first thing you're going to do is get logged into your YouTube account. Once you're logged in, you'll click on your profile icon, you'll select YouTube Studio, and this is going to bring you to the studio page. On the left-hand side, you'll select Earn, and that's going to bring you here to the Earn tab. Now, you do need to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program to be able to go ahead and gain access to emotes. Now, once you're there, you'll come to where it says Memberships. We'll come to where it says Customize Default Perks. Hit this little pencil icon, and then you'll see here an option for Emoji. Now we'll have the option to go ahead and upload up to 7 emotes here that we can go ahead and add. And then you'll see here that as you get more members, you'll gain access to more emotes. Now, these emotes can be both static or animated. And for this example, I'm going to go ahead and utilize emotes from streamdesigns.com. They have tons of emotes for you to be able to select from, and I'll put a link in the description of this video. And a lot of these emotes are paired with the packages that they have for animated overlays. For this example, I'm going to utilize the loadout package. And you can see here that the loadout package is going to go ahead and give us everything that we need from our heart to our lurk to our band, like a boss, rip, MVP, Z, and then raid for us to be able to utilize. So once you have your emotes, we're going to come back here to YouTube and we're going to go ahead and select image. So when you select image, it's going to first come in a zip file just like this if you got your emotes from Stream Designs. If you're on Windows, you're going to go ahead and right click and select extract, and that's going to create a folder here for you. And then if you're on Mac, you'll go ahead and double click, and that's going to create a folder here for you. So once you have the folder, you'll see the option here that from Stream Designs, you'll get the static version and the animated version. Now, as I mentioned, for YouTube, it can be either or. So we'll go ahead and select animated. I'll come here to where it says heart, and I'll select the 112 by 112, hit open, and now you can see here the animation. And then you can toggle it on to see how it looks on the light theme and then how it looks on the dark theme. And then you need to go ahead and put a name here. And a lot of the times I just go ahead and put exactly what it is. So that's going to be heart. Then we'll go ahead and select the next one. We'll open that up. We'll come back here to animated. We'll select here the lurk. We'll go ahead and add that here, 112 by 112. And then you see here that it's also going to go ahead and move. And then we'll name this here lurk as well. And then once you're ready, what you want to do is you want to hit save and publish. Then it's going to go ahead and get reviewed. Sometimes it's available right away. Sometimes it may take 24 hours. But if you want to be able to know how to set up sub badges so that when people become channel members for your stream, they have an icon by their name, go ahead and watch this video right here where I walk you step by step on how to set up sub badges. I'll see you guys in the next video.